guys, this is a double left turn, one of the most dangerous in this part of the country. Why am I here? I'm gonna run toward danger, not run away. Let's talk about this. This is a double left turn. I'm in the outside lane, so when I make my left turn, I'll be to the right side by the curb. If I'm in the inside left turn lane, I'll be by the double yellow. So you can look at this intersection. There's a lot going on. There are people turning, people walking across, people could potentially run the light. So you can see where it's kind of dangerous. I wanted to take a moment to talk about this. So you also look at the traffic light. You have two lanes that say left. If you weren't sure and not paying attention, you could possibly go straight. Let's look at these cars to see who is cutting really tight, like that black truck that just turned. This other black truck is turning real smooth and easy. That black truck is turning real hard. You can see the angles of the cars and how people turn the wheel. I always try to point this out to my students to help them understand. So I'm just taking my time. I'm waiting. There's no hurry. This car is past the stop line to my right, so they would get marked down in their evaluation. I'm behind the stop line because I know better, and cars make tight turns. You always want to scan an intersection before you pull out in traffic. You want to look left and right, and cars will run lights. You want to watch for pedestrians. There's a car to my left. There's a car behind me. See, I'm looking. I can see the car. I know you can too. I see the car behind me because I'm looking right now. So when the light turns green, I'm just going to scan the intersection and look momentarily, and you can see my blind spot detector went off, and then I'm looking where I want to go, and then I make that turn. Now I'm going to turn on my right turn signal because the third driveway is mine. I'm checking my mirror because I do not want to get rear-ended. And then I turn hand over hand into the turn, and I turn hand over hand out. If you felt this brought you value and content, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.